Bentley has always been about prestige, but the 2026 model takes things to a whole new level. Designed for those who don't follow trends, they set them. From the outside, the Bentley 2026 looks bold and commanding. A wider stance, sharper LED matrix headlights, and a redesigned front grille that instantly demands attention. Every line is crafted with purpose. Elegant, aggressive, and timeless. Step inside, and you enter a world of handcrafted perfection. Premium leather, real wood veneers, and precision metal finishes come together in total harmony. The cabin is quieter, smarter, and more luxurious than ever, with ambient lighting and next-generation digital displays. Under the hood, Bentley offers powerful hybrid and performance engine options, instant acceleration, smooth handling, and a driving experience that feels effortless at any speed. This car isn't built just to move. It's built to perform. Advanced AI driving assistance, intelligent infotainment, and seamless connectivity keep you in complete control. Luxury has officially entered the smart era. The Bentley 2026 isn't just transportation. It's a statement, a future-ready masterpiece built for the elite.